How do voluntary and involuntary property liens differ? Have you ever wondered how property liens can impact your ownership rights? Understanding the differences between voluntary and involuntary property liens is essential for any property owner. Let's break it down in simple terms. A voluntary lien is a legal claim that you, as the property owner, agree to. This usually happens when you take out a loan using your property as collateral. Common examples include mortgage liens and home equity loans. When you sign the loan agreement, you are consenting to this lien. It's important to know that if you fail to make payments, the lender has the right to sell your property to recover their money. On the other hand, an involuntary lien is placed on your property without your consent. This typically occurs due to unpaid debts or legal judgments. For instance, if you do not pay your property taxes, the government can place a property tax lien on your home. Other examples include judgment liens from lawsuits, mechanics liens for unpaid contractor work, and federal tax liens. These liens can significantly affect your property's value and your ability to sell or refinance until they are resolved. Now, let's talk about some common legal mistakes related to these liens. One mistake is failing to understand the nature of voluntary liens. Many property owners do not realize that agreeing to a mortgage lien means their property can be sold if they default on payments. To avoid this, carefully review your loan terms and ensure you can meet your payment obligations. Another mistake is ignoring involuntary liens. Property owners may overlook unpaid taxes or contractor bills, which can lead to unexpected involuntary liens. These liens can block property sales or refinancing. It's wise to regularly check public records or conduct title searches to catch any involuntary liens early. Not addressing liens promptly is another common error. Both voluntary and involuntary liens must be resolved to clear the property's title. Delaying this can lead to foreclosure or legal action. To avoid issues, pay your debts on time and negotiate with creditors if you face financial difficulties. Lastly, many property owners overlook lien priority. Liens are paid in the order they are recorded, meaning earlier liens have priority over later ones. This can impact how much equity you retain if you sell your property. Understanding lien priority helps you avoid surprises during property transactions. In summary, voluntary liens are agreed upon by the owner as part of financing agreements, while involuntary liens are imposed due to unpaid obligations or legal actions without the owner's approval. Being proactive in understanding, monitoring, and managing both types of liens helps property owners avoid legal disputes and maintain clear ownership rights.